Introducing the Winter Multifunctional Intelligent Oven. This all-in-one, easy-to-use oven allows you to choose between separate functions and modes such as ferment for baking, preheat, yogurt making, air fry, dehydrate, steam, roast, bake, DIY, and descaling. The large capacity water tank holds all of the water needed to steam cook a full meal without interruption. The extra large 40-liter 1.4 cubic foot capacity allows room to cook for the whole family. You can even fit a full-size turkey inside. Multi-level cooking allows you to cook different types of side dishes at once. The dynamic heating and steaming convection system works together with a powerful internal fan to evenly circulate heat throughout the interior to cook food perfectly on all sides every time. Steam cooking helps your food retain valuable nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and allows the food to maintain optimal moisture levels for peak freshness. Steam cooking also requires no cooking oil to keep your meals light and healthy. In addition, the steam oven evenly reheats leftovers without drying out food the way a microwave can. The baking function has 9 programs, from bread to cookies and even cakes. The multifunction oven combines grill, convection, and steam cooking modes to make your dishes tender and juicy on the inside while being browned and flavorful on the outside. This special air fry function is designed to fry foods with hot air without the mess or extra fat and calories from oil. Delicious and healthy foods for the whole family. This is the only appliance that you will need in your kitchen. Intelligent, easy to use, healthy meals. Brought to you by Winter.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Toaster Oven Broiler. It's really compact at half a cubic foot, but it packs a lot of power with 1800 watts. Has 6 cooking functions. It also has a dial that goes from warm all the way up to broil. And here you have your toast mechanism, which is dark, medium, and light. So the functions that I mentioned are warm, broil, bake, bagel, toast, and pizza. The other interesting thing about this is that when you open the door, the rack automatically comes out for you, and that's in the top position. Not only does it come with this rack, which is adjustable, you can put it in the top slot or in the bottom one, this way, or you can actually put it in this way, like so. The other thing is it comes with this really generous baking tray. It's really generous because of the more usable space with that type of tray. So you can see it also has a viewing window, a glass window, so you can see how your food is cooking. Has a removable crumb tray. And the capacity of this oven, you can do up to an 11-inch pizza or even 6 slices of toast. Like I said, it's really compact, but it's still generous in size, and it'll be really handy for you to have in your home. So let's go ahead and use the pizza function, which it's the last one on the dial. The other thing I want to mention too is, even this is my tiny pizza, you can actually make a full tray here. If you want to make a focaccia or a square pizza like a Sicilian, you can do that. I love to put fresh tomatoes on the pizza. That's my preference. And then you could also put a little bit, tiny bit of pepperoni, not a lot. Pepperoni is one of the most popular pizza preferences. So if I put more tomatoes on it, it outnumbers the pepperoni. Okay, so then let's just add the cheese on top. A little bit more. And I always like to finish it off with some beautiful basil for extra flavor. So now what we're going to do is going to put the pizza in the oven. We're going to actually start it by pressing the start button. The other thing that's great about this is that if you want to stop the oven in mid-cycle, you can just press the button and turn it off. It has a non-stick, easy to clean interior. And like I said, it's a beautifully sized unit. It's nice and compact, but it packs a lot of power. Let's check on our personal pizza. Oh, look how nice and crispy it got. I'm just putting it on top of the rack. You can put it on a cutting board if you want, or put it right on your plate. It's nice and crisp and looks delicious, and the cheese is beautifully melted. So there you have it, the Cuisinart Toaster Oven Broiler.
Air frying just got easier with the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. It offers a variety of ways to perfectly air fry family favorites using 98% less oil. The 0.6 cubic foot capacity oven can air fry up to 3 pounds of food, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. This oven offers a wide range of temperature options, from 80 degrees to 450 degrees. With low temperatures, you can slow cook, proof dough, and dehydrate. The high temperature options are for baking, broiling, and air frying. This intuitive unit is equipped with a wide range of digital programs such as bake, broil, pizza, roast, toast, bagel, reheat, warm, and dual cook. Additional one-touch air frying presets include favorites, fries, chicken wings, nuggets, snacks, and veggies. The one-touch dual cook feature enables you to combine 2 cooking types such as bake, broil, pizza, and roast, and run them automatically. Use the defrost functionality for items such as toast bagel and pizza. You can even control the fan speed from low to high for precision convection results. The Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven is equipped with dishwasher-safe parts, an LCD screen, integrated quick reference guide, stay cool handle, and an interior light to keep an eye on your food as it's cooking. The stainless steel appliance features a modern design with a sleek touchpad control panel and non-stick interior for easy cleaning. With an 1,800 watts of power, extra large capacity, and a multitude of functions, the Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven delivers state-of-the-art results.
It might look like any other toaster oven, but Cosori's Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is far from ordinary. Featuring 12 cooking functions, this oven can cook up any craving. Feeling like something crispy? Air fry it. Need to cook for the whole family? Not a problem. The oven comes with every accessory you'll need. Want even more control? Download the VSync app and connect your smart oven to your smartphone. Browse over 100 original recipes made by Cosori chefs. See something you like? Just tap the recipe and automatically input settings, or adjust them remotely. For a little extra freedom, pair your smart oven with a smart assistant.
Alexa, roast 20 minutes in the smart oven.
When you're done cooking, the non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze. So you're always ready for the next delicious meal.